MASTERWELD TIG 200S. This is the ampere over here, post gas over here. So ampere you can adjust your current to according to what steel, how many thickness you want to weld. The post gas without this, your welding won't be so nice. So now I'm going to try to weld on this thick material using a 2.4 mm rod. This is the welded 308 stainless steel. I'm using a post gas function. So with this machine you can weld all types of material, stainless steel, mild steel, or special thick rod, or hard facing rod. With 200S you can penetrate right up to more than 8 mm size in diameter, if I'm not mistaken. So for those who prefer to weld using this, for looking for a thick machine, you can choose MASTERWELD TIG 200S.